You can improve your English just by using Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, etc. Hey everyone, this is Naren and welcome back to a new session of English with me. Do you spend hours on Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp and other online platforms? What if I told you that you could improve your English at the same time without any extra effort? Yes, you heard it right. You can enjoy and learn English using these social media platforms. This is a modern century and we all have a mobile phone in our hands and we all have access to different social media platforms. How can you use these social media platforms to learn English? Let's find out. In this video, I'll show you simple ways to turn your social media addiction into English learning tool. Let's start with Facebook. Facebook is not just for scrolling memes. Here is how you can use it to learn English. First one, follow English learning pages. Search for pages like BBC Learning English, English with Lucy, etc. Like and save posts with new words. Second thing is to join English learning groups. Type Learn English in the search bar and join groups where people practice. Engage in discussions, practice questions and ask for feedbacks. Third one is to read and comment in English. Instead of just liking posts, leave a comment in English. For example, if someone posts a travel picture, just comment, "Wow, that place looks amazing. Have you been there before?" Comment something like that in English. Fourth one is to watch Facebook videos. Short videos with captions. You can search for motivational videos, educational videos or comedy videos in English. Watch them with subtitles in English and then later on watch them without the subtitles. This way you can engage in Facebook and also learn English. The second platform, Instagram, one of the common platform among all the people nowadays. You know what? Instagram is full of English learning opportunities if you know where to look. The first step is to follow English influencers and pages. Search for hashtags like Learn English or English Tips. Follow accounts that daily post English phrases, idioms or pronunciation. The second one is the fun activity in Instagram, watching reels and stories. You can use these reels and stories for listening practice. Try watching English reels with captions. They provide captions these days, so it is easy to find captions. Now try shadowing technique. Listen, pause and repeat what they say. You can watch a travel vlogger, cooking vlogger, what you are interested in, choose that topic and try to repeat the English sentences after them. If you are social enough, if you are an extrovert, if you are very interested in posting on Instagram, you can post stories and learn English. Post your own stories in English. Share a short update and try to write it in English. You can just write, "Good morning, I am trying to learn English with Instagram today." You can write something like that. The fourth technique is engage in English challenges. Some pages run word of the day or speak in English for 30 seconds challenge. Participate and tag your friends. This way you can enjoy watching videos and stories and posts and all that on Instagram and you can learn English. You can improve your English just by using the social media. The third one is WhatsApp. We daily open and use WhatsApp, right? Then why not use it to learn English? The first one is to join English learning groups. There are several English learning groups in WhatsApp. Many groups exist where people chat only in English. Try to find them and join them. Practice texting, voice messages and even video calls. You can join my WhatsApp channel English with me by just clicking the link in the description. I'll post different English learning content in that channel. The second step is to change your phone language to English. I know many people who have their phone settings in their native language. Go to settings and switch your phone's language to English. This helps you learn new words daily without any effort. The third step is to use voice messages for speaking practice. Instead of typing, just send voice notes to your friends or family or any groups. Just challenge yourself to describe your day in English. You can send that to your friend or your relative or someone who knows English and who can help you improve your English. You can also text a friend who wants to improve their English. Find a friend who wants to improve their English and chat with them, send voice notes and even try to have a casual conversation with them in English. You can just spend 5 to 10 minutes a day and you can improve your English just by using the mobile phone that you have in your hand. You can learn with a thing that you are using every day. You can improve your English very easily using these social media platforms. So which app do you use the most? Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram or any other app? Try these tips and comment below with your favorite. So guys, this is all for today. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I'll be back with a new video soon. Thank you for being a part of this journey. Bye.